All right, guys. Yes, this is another one. Yeah. I scanned this car now. Yes, he gave me P0132. Yes, that's is saying O2 sensor voltage, high voltage. Yes, I think so. So I know they have tempered. I know O2 sensor mean a sensor in front of catalyst converter. So I know they have tempered the catalyst converter. So we ordered another one and it came. Yes. As you can see, the catalyst is here and the catalyst came with gasket. You see, two gaskets, that's front and back, and the set of nut and washers. So let's get to work now and see what we can do. But before I fix it, I will remove the O2 sensor. Yes, I remove the O2 sensor and service it up. You can see bang 1, bang 2. I'm going to do it. Yes, this is one. I don't think it have two. Okay, it's only one. So I'm going to fix it. I'm going to remove it and service it. Yes, can clean it up. Then after cleaning it up, then I'll fix the new one. So to remove it, I will just, this is 22. Okay, it's not pretty tight before, so still going to lose it more. Let me do it. Okay, guys, this is it. Yes, I lose the O2 sensor. You can see it. It's not too dirty. Yes, to remove it, just press the clip. Press the clip and pull it off. It's at the front stage. You can see it there. So, okay, you can see the O2 sensor. It's not too dirty, but I'll just clean it with carburetor cleaner. Yes, and put it back. So then I will lose up the catalytic converter, the old one, and I'll let you guys see. So I've loose. The bolt was sold by 33 bolt are not. Yes, I know that's not the original one because the bolt are different. This one has 14, 13, 12 for the different size of bolt. So, but I've loose it up. So I will unloose it now and take off the old one. Yes, you can see it is out. Yeah. Let's see. I hope. Yeah. Okay. This is it. So I get it out. Let's cross check the new one. Here comes the new one. Let's see. Oh, it's a little bit longer. Yeah. Oh, wow, wow. Okay. I don't know. The mistake came from where. This is a little bit longer. You can see it. Um, yes, I'll make it fit because I don't know. I have no option. I'll make it fit into it. My biggest challenge is going to be here, but let me see what I can do. I figure it out what I'm going to do. This is it. Yes, you can see this one is far longer than this. Yes. So, and this head is not the same thing, but this side is the same. So I'm going to cut off here, reduce this one and cut off this one. and bring this one to here. That is what I'm going to do. This is what I have. This is what I'm going to work with. Yes, I'm not going to go and find looking for, I may not even get. Yes, but I'm going to work with this. So let me get it done. So I'm going to cut off the head that I need. Okay, I need this head. As I get this prepared, so I'm going to tighten it up. Yes. At the mouth of, I'm going to tighten it here. Then after tightening it, I'll size my new catalyst up. Yes, I'll size it up there. I guide it, I hand tight it. Yes, it's not this bolt I'm going to use, but I just use this to get the um, the actual place I want. So I'm going to put on this. It's very hard for me to do with one hand. Let me place my camera. Okay, I believe I can get it like that. So I'm going to put this. See, exactly the way I want it. So I'm going to tack it. After tacking it, then I'm going to tack it. After tacking it, then I'm going to bring it down and fully weld it. So let me get that done. Okay, guys, you can see it. I untied this one too. So I try size it now. The mouth, yes, it flush here, but on the other side there's still a space there, which means I'm going to drop it down. I'm going to remove it and address that side before tacking it. So I'll address it, then put it back, then tack it. Okay, right now I've set it. So okay, so this is it. I'm going to weld it completely, yes, for you guys to see. Okay, now, so I'm about to fix it. I've already fully welded it, so I'm going to fix it now. This is the two gaskets that came with it. I'm going to use these two, this one for here and the other one for the front. So I'm going to place my camera down for you guys to see. Yes, I'm going to put this ring. Yes, I'm going to put it like this. I have to stay in there. Yes, I'm checking it. I just kind of type it. This is 17. So I'm going to put up this face. Okay. So I'm going to clean this face up. Yes, I've cleaned this one up. Then I'm going to clean this one up too. And the gasket is going to go like this. So go put in the gasket. The last one. Okay, guys. Yes, this is the sensor. So I'm going to. You can see how I clean it up. You can see how it's looking now. So I'm going to tight it. Yes. Already I've fully tight my catalyst converter. So it's tight now. So I'm going to tie the sensor. And lock it with the spanner. That's it. I'll socket it there. Okay, that's it there. I don't know if I can be able to do it with one hand. So I'll get it socket then. So I socket it. Yes, it's there. Everything is intact. So I'm going to jack down the car. Then I'll test it out.